Can you believe that this branding was done with stamp? This multicolored branding, both the red color and the blue color, they were all done with stamp. This is Vital Rich Concept, branding and packaging mentoring for SME. We are here to ensure that your branding and packaging business is moving forward. Get our rechargeable sealer, get our stamp branding kit to help you brand your products, okay, at home without any difficulty. Get our 3x24 inches nylon, get our 4x24 inches nylon roll that is in pack, get our 10x12 inches nylon roll, which nylon pack which you use for items that are big up to 2 kg. Get our heatgunsealer, okay, get our original impulsesealer. I know why I keep on telling you original, because they are fake ones. Get our industrial nylons, which is good for all manner of packaging. Get our mini hand sealers, both the lined surface sealer and the smooth surface sealer. Finally, get our branding course to brand your product like a pro. Now, to get all these things, you send us WhatsApp chat. Get our WhatsApp number from our bio. Today we're going to be packaging what you call seed or sesame seed. Okay, now I got this when I went to Kogi. There's a lot of it in Kogi state. Okay, we're gonna start by getting the measurement from our industrial nylon. Now I want to show you our industrial nylon so you see how it looks like. Okay, it's the same nylon that multinational companies are using to package. Vital Rich Concept introduced it to SMEs so that they too can use it to package. By the time you finish packaging, your item will look like it was packaged with industrial nylon. So with automated machine. It will look like it was packaged with automated machine. Now, one sachet of my product is 3.5 inches, and I'm just going to get 4 sachets to make one roll because I don't have enough seed here. All right. So what I did that time, I multiplied it by 4. Since I'll be getting 4 sachets to make one roll, so 3.5 inches times 4 giving me 14 inches. I now added extra 1 inch to it. Okay, so I folded it into 2, and I'm now sealing the length that I want. So because we just realized that you can also seal directly in the from the nylon roll, then you cut it. So that means if your own roll is whatever the length your own roll is, or you can even seal many rows from the nylon roll, then you now cut after sealing. So I sealed with the smooth surface sealer, and I'm topping it up again just to ensure strong tight sealing. Now after sealing, today we're going to be adopting back sealing. So you saw me push the sealing to the back. I didn't allow it to stay in the front. Next time we're going to make side sealing, okay, where the sealing will be at the side. What I'm doing now, I'm marking that 3.5 inches. I did that with biro. Next time I'm going to show you how you're going to use paper to mark the size of each sachet. So that means I'll be branding at the middle of the places that I marked. You see, so this thing makes branding easy, not the one that it will still be, the nylon will still be, you didn't seal the nylon and you want to brand. This branding here makes it easy. You know where you're branding. You don't need too much calculation because you've already sealed the nylon. Okay, you've already sealed it and positioned it well. The next thing is to bring my stamp pad, and then add the ink. Remember, you add the ink in drops. If you don't add it in drops, you're wasting your ink. And then you distribute with the cover of a biro. Now, looking at the cover of the biro when you're distributing, can you see that the thickness of the ink shows you that yes, the ink is okay, the pad is okay. You saw a lot of the thickness of the ink on the biro cover, so that shows you that the ink is okay. I always advise you test it out first on another nylon. Okay, so you can see I've tested out the branding. It's looking very beautiful. Everything is okay, so I can go ahead now to print on my nylon, on my packaging nylon. So I print at the middle of the places I marked. Remember, I marked 3.5 on each, 3.5 inches on each sachet, for each sachet. Then I'm branding at the middle of those things that I marked. Hope you are getting me. So like I said in the next video, we are going to seal with side sealing, but here we are doing back sealing. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video wide. Everybody, every SME needs this video, so make sure you share it. Then in the comment section, tell us what you want us to package, okay? And then tell us where you're watching this video from. We're going to prepare a video just for shout outs, just only for shout outs, okay? So you can see the branding. Isn't it beautiful? Are you not seeing it very clearly? The branding that was done with stamp. What else do you need as an SME for branding your product? This is what you can do at home, or you can engage one of your staff to do it. This is what you can do at home. Very easy, very simple. So there's no excuse for branding again. Now you allow it to dry for like 15 minutes. Now we are getting the background now, which is the red one. Okay, that's the stamp. This stamp is for the background, which is the red one. That's how we are able to use two colors to brand a product with stamp branding. Give it up for Vital Rich Concept. We are too much. We are too much. We lead, others follow, others are copying. So right now I'm branding at the remaining spaces to form the background. Okay, so remember, you will leave this thing to dry. If you have fan, you can put it under fan. If you put it under fan, it can dry faster, because I allowed the blue printing, the blue branding to dry before I now started putting this. If you don't allow it to dry, you mess up your whole work. So you must allow it to dry, and it dries between 10 and 15 minutes. Okay, can you see a beautiful background printing, the right top printing and the background printing? Please, my people, isn't this looking beautiful? So after I've allowed it to dry, then the next thing I'm doing is to seal up one end with the smooth surface sealer, then top it up with the lined surface sealer. If you have been watching our video, you would have been so used to this. We would have been so used to this. Can you see the lined surface sealer makes it look as if you sealed with automated machine? It strengthens the sealing and it makes it look as if you sealed with automated machine. Now once I finish, I put my stamp pad inside the Ziploc bag, so that you must keep these things very well, so that ink will not be escaping. Okay, so the next thing now, after adding with the standard measurement, I seal first of all with the smooth surface sealer, and I top it up with the lined surface sealer. So you that is into packaging business, you have been looking for how to brand your product, you have been spending money to brand your product, stop it. This is what you can do. Basic branding that you can give to your item. Now you can see we are able to use two colors for branding, all done with stamp. No stress. So share this video wide. Share it. Everybody needs to see this video. Place your order for all our items. Okay, to place your order, just get our WhatsApp number from our from our bio. Our WhatsApp number is there, our WhatsApp link is there, so anyone you choose, use it. Then send us WhatsApp chat. You place your order by sending WhatsApp chat, and we deliver globally. We will just deliver your items for you anywhere you are in this world. Wow, you can see how the color of the product gave the branding its own background. So if you have Beneseed, you are in Kogi or in different places, anywhere you are and you have access to Beneseed, why don't you start packaging it today? Not just Beneseed, anything you have access to that you can get at a very moderate price, start packaging it today. Don't stay at home doing nothing. Don't think somebody will generate income for you. You are the one to generate income for yourself.